We're at gotomath.com working some calculus. Go down to area. We got some challenging problems here. 6.2. This is going to be a challenging problem, I promise. Find the area bounded by the curve in the x-axis in the interval a to b. F of x dx. Question is, what is f of x? That's the question. Well, I'm going to help you out. Just a hair here. Just a hair, but not by much. Right? Okay. Alright. Now you notice when we go to find this area, right, when we go to find this area, it's going to be negative, okay, because it's below the x-axis. And then we find this area, obviously it's positive, and then we just add both areas together to get the total area. To get the total area. So I'm going to go ahead and write down, what am I going to write down? Okay. First off, let me just tell you what the form of this parabola is. It's going to be taking on this form here. F of x is equal to x minus h squared minus, well, actually it's supposed to be plus k. Okay, and I'll tell you the reason why here. This is the form right here. All right. Well, h, let's just draw a crude sketch. So h and k is the vertex of the parabola. H and k is the vertex. All right. And so therefore, if h is the x value, we counted over 4 units, and then we counted down 4 units. All right, so there's your h and k. Now, we counted down, so 4 is actually negative here. That's the reason we put a positive here, because k is negative, so that'll make that negative. So it actually becomes f of x is equal to x minus 4 squared, and k is minus 4. So there it is. X minus 4 squared minus 4. Now that all that's said, how do we know these guys right here? Well, these are the roots of the polynomial, and so to actually figure that out, you can, because they may not be nice numbers. They may not be nice numbers. So we set this equal to 0 and find the solution set. So we end up bringing 4 over, square rooting it, going plus or minus, and then taking the 4 over. So in this particular case, they're actually nice numbers, because you end up getting 2 plus 4 is 6, right, is one of them, and then the other one you get negative. Of course, this would be a negative 2 plus 4, right? Actually, that's going to be positive, isn't it? Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So the two roots are going to be 2 and 6. 2 and 6, let's go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 and 6. So they may not be nice numbers every time. We might have to deal with the radical here, some irrational number. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go from 2 to 6. Right. Going to go from 2 to 6. X minus 4 quantity squared minus 4 dx, so that's going to be this area, and then you'll want to go from, now remember you need to make it negative, because this is going to be a negative number, so multiply by a negative and you get a positive number, right? And then we're going to go from 6 to, right, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 6 to 7 to find this area right here. right, from 6 to 7 of x minus 4 quantity squared minus 4 dx. And so this area, this is the second area, and this is that first area. And to get area total, you take area 1 plus area 2 to get the total area. Okay, so I think that's probably enough help on that. Let's hit the answer. So you can, whoa, 13, that's a not, well, it says 13. I can't, for some reason, I can't scroll down. But anyway, it says 13. That's a nice number. All right, come on by, go to math.com, practice. See you there.